Hey guys, it's Meara. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting video. I got a little package. I haven't even opened it yet. Just kidding. I couldn't wait. I was too excited. It kind of looks like I'm naked. Fun fact, guys, I made this shirt and I'm never gonna wear it in public because you can definitely tell that I made it, and it also kind of like falls off, so I have no talent. I can't make clothing. Anyways, today we're gonna be trying out a wig from FOXWIGS. Okay, I'm so excited. It was time for a new wig. So thank you to FOXWIGS for sending me this wig. And if you guys want to get a wig from FOXWIGS, you can use the discount code Meara, M-E-A-R-A, for 30% off. You are very welcome. I kind of did already open it and look at it, but I haven't like taken it out of the packaging yet, so it's a full unboxing. So excited! Comes in a nice box. And look at that. Look at this cute little like silk FOXWIGS packaging. I just realized I forgot to turn lights on. Or does that even make a difference? I don't really know. Anyways, it comes in a cute little silk bag. Some wig caps. I don't know where my other ones are, so that's great. Oh, this is a tight wig cap. Oh, what am I doing? Don't really have any hair. I probably don't even like need to wear a wig cap, but that's fine. We're gonna wear it anyways. Come through little silk pouch. Look, oh my god, it's blonde, it's short. It's not like super short. It's pretty long to me considering I have like no hair. And it is a lace front wig. It actually looks like it has like a really nice hairline compared to like the other ones I've had. Like it's not just like solid, like it's like more natural. That's what it's called, right? A natural hairline. This is the inside. There's a clip or like a comb on the front, on both sides, and then there's like an adjustable strap in the back, which I have a tiny ass little petite head, so I'm gonna make it as tight as it'll go probably. There we go. Let's try it on. You know, honestly, I feel like no matter like what wig I get, I always cut the lace off the same way. So I don't really know why people try it on first. I don't know what the difference is. I think it's to make sure like you cut the hairline properly, but like also it's like I cut it the same way. Like I don't know if it matches my hairline. I don't know if it looks good. Ooh, she's really soft. Oh my gosh. It's so like soft and light. Oh my gosh. Also from this far I can't even see the lace. Like it looks fine. It looks really good. Let's cut the lace off. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, guys. This wig is so soft. It's so cute. I mean, I really want to get more shorter wigs. The last wig I got was like shorter. This one's shorter. Cause like for a while I was like getting long wigs, but I hate them. Like they're hard to take care of. They freaking tangle up so easily. It's just awful. I kind of still want to try a human hair wig eventually, but I'm pretty sure I would just butcher it too much. Like I'm still not. I thought I'd maybe get better at doing wigs, but I don't think that's ever gonna happen for me. Are you supposed to leave a little bit of lace out to like blend? Like I still don't understand lace. Cut the lace off. This is seriously so soft. Ew, I literally look like an egg. I don't like really know what else to tell you. Should I get my concealer? I don't know what I'm doing. I've tried like plucking the part of a wig before, and I ended up just kind of like ripping a hole in the lace, so I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just gonna place it on my head. Is it supposed to be asymmetrical, or is it supposed to be like a side part? I don't really dig the asymmetrical look on me, so we're gonna do a side part. But that's kind of cool, you know, if you do want like an asymmetrical bob, you can just like part it in the middle and then it'll look longer on one side. There you go. Life hack, wig hack. I feel like honestly, I couldn't do any better than this. Like people are always like, this is my wig fresh out of the box. It looks really ugly. I'm gonna fix it. But like, I couldn't even fix this. I know that maybe some other people might be able to make it look better, but this is as good as it gets for me, and I'm not even mad. It's so soft though. I just want to like run my fingers through it forever. Okay, also what I'm gonna do, because I've seen other people do this, is use got to be ultra glued, or just apparently the yellow one is better, but I just kind of wanted to go all out and get the ultra glued. So I don't really know how to do this properly either, but basically I think you're supposed to just kind of like place the wig, then you clip like the actual hair back so you don't glue like the actual hair down. Wow, Humpty Dumpty could never. Does this match my natural hair? Like, should I take some of my natural hair out? I've seen other people do that, but I've never been able to do that before. Ow, shit. Don't think that is not a match. Ew. No, I need to tuck that bitch back in. Ooh, I need to tuck that little guy back in there. That is not gonna work for us. Gonna glue this sucker down. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm literally such a mess. Okay, then I'm just gonna let that dry. Me acting like I know what I'm doing. Wait for it to get tacky, because if you just slap the wig on there when it's still wet and it's not tacky yet, it will just not work. You know what I'm saying? Cool. Then you just want to pull your wig down onto your hair gel and just stick her on there. A lot of people have like a scarf or something that they use. I have a bandana, I could use that to just kind of hold it on there. Oh no, I have hair. Oh shit. Oh no. I mean, I don't think I've ever had like a natural hairline before, and I'm pretty sure this is that. And if I was actually good at like laying wigs down, if I like pulled this back, like you would not be able to see anything. Oh shoot, my like real hair root is showing. Guys, I don't know what the frick I'm doing. Maybe that's why you're supposed to leave more lace. Like, I always cut it right up to the hair, but are you supposed to leave a little bit of lace? I don't know, man. Honestly, all like the synthetic wigs I've tried, like this is honestly my favorite one. I think that's as good as I can get her down, so I'm not a wig professional. I'm just gonna stick some concealer on my part and call it a day. I just do this because I saw other people do it and I think it makes it look more natural. So look at that. Doesn't that help so much? Oh my god. Also, like, my hairline, I need to start getting like petite wigs because like I have a small head. Like, my hairline's back here. The wig's hairline goes all the way to my eyebrow. Spo yanked my earring out. That's how excited I am, okay? Can you tell my excitement right now? Oh my god, I just like pulled it off. Why am I so bad at this? Everyone else makes it look so dang easy. I'm gonna freaking bandana it and just hope that it will like make everything stay. I don't really want to tie it. I feel like I'll just F everything out. I'm just gonna hold it like this. This is a workout, okay, let me tell you. I don't really have it off to the side enough. It's like still asymmetrical. I like put her down so she's not moving now. How do you do it like the people on Instagram do it? Is that how I do it? That looks so dumb. This down, take this up. I think I saw someone do this kind of a style with a wig before, so. OMG. Ariana Grande freaking who? Excuse me? I need a scrunchie for this look, and it would be a look, let me tell you. Okay, I think what I would do, I mean, there's like a little bit of kinkage right here, so I probably just would straighten it. But I'll feel like grabbing my straightener right down, so like, I think you get the gist. But oh my gosh, I really like this wig, especially if I maybe learn how to be better at like putting it on and then straighten it. Like, it's so cute. I didn't even grab a brush or anything. Like, I'm such a mess right now, but like it doesn't even need to be brushed yet. It's so freaking soft. That's the other thing too. Like, if I learned how to like lay this down properly and pulled my hair back, like it would look pretty gnarly, you know what I'm saying? But like, I don't know, I kind of like it. This is like my favorite wig I've ever gotten, and this length is so much better for me. Like, I don't look like I'm drowning in hair. I'll be able to brush it. I won't get tangled as easily. I vouch for shorter wigs. Anyway guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry that I literally am such a mess. Welcome to my life. Like I said, if you guys want to get a wig from FOXWIGS, you can get the same one. I'll leave it linked down below. We can be twins, and you can use code Meara for 30% off. That's freaking awesome. My camera stopped recording. That's pretty rude. But anyways, get the same wig as me. Thank you to FOXWIGS for sending me this wig. If you guys want to be twinning with me, this is the Sandstorm wig. I will leave it linked below in their website, and you can also use code Meara for 30% off, which is awesome. Their wigs are already super affordable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for 1 video a week. Gonna get better at that. And yes, have a wonderful, fantabulous day, and a peace out.